On down quite a bit so we're below there. Nice partly sunny day. Well, glad to see some sunshine. Okay, now turn towards the Bill Emerson Bridge there, and you'll see that the Bill Emerson Bridge is above the horizon, correct?
Right.
So we know that we're below the top of that bridge. So now just go ahead and come up on your collective a little bit. Let's get a little climb going. And you'll see as we come up, right there, where now you're seeing more real estate on the other side of the pylons.
Right.
So now you can just kind of level off right here. We're above the bridge. There's a nice hawk right in front of us. Look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, now you can just check down a little on your collective there. You can see we're over the top of the bridge. There's a view of the bridge not everybody gets.
Nope.